had a little light rain out here, and some kitties have been wading in it. Far from enough to soak them, but yeah, I feel it on me now that I'm down here. Just a fine mist. It's 45 out here. It's not. I think that. Oh, sorry, Marty. I think that's what it is. Still is 45. Here, Morris, you could. Okay. No, that's totally fine, honey. There'll be more food waiting in the cat hotel. Just to say, I think food near where they sleep is not a big deal during the daytime. There's my chickens waiting on me. But, you know, I try to be super prompt about removing it before night. And one of the reasons why we have the cat hotel is so that I have a place to feed where it's dry. So Morris did get in to the cube last night, and you can see now that there's two heating pads in here, so it spans the whole length. And Don's got it sorted out up there so that it's there, you can see it, so it's plugged in. He made the wires look nice so no one will get caught up in them or trip or anything. No extension cord required, which is good. But in this cold coming, I wanted to give Morris the bed to get in that I knew he liked. And a second heating pad in there to keep that area nice and toasty for him. It's dry, it's wind blocked, it's heated. And Don also came out here and put some more cardboard tabs on the plastic. It had opened up a little bit, and it's much more protected now. So it's what I can do for Morris. He thought about coming in the door this morning, but then said, no, I'm still too scared. If I let him in, if I shut it behind him, because I could have a couple of times now, I have seen an upset cat try to go through the glass window to get back outside, and it's a terrifying thing for them and me. And so while I could shut him in, I know he's not ready for it. So anyway, let me feed the chickens and change the water. So the only bad thing about ordering the auger from Amazon, the special drill bit to plant the daffodils, is that it's liable to come later in the day than we would like for it to. Like, it arriving now would be good, and then when I get done with my chores and Don gets done with his coffee, we could go out and put the daffodils in. Anyway, we'll see. Hi. Hello. Here you go. Hi. Good morning, sweet pea. Hi. Hi. My idea of potential storm threat is to make sure there's plenty of cooked bacon in the refrigerator in the normal container. And we're down to 4 slices and I have time, so bacon. They're still talking about a chance of something frozen Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. The closer to the coast, apparently, the more snow. I don't know. Maybe we'll get something. Maybe we won't. It's falling a little bit as it cools. This is 7 eggs, a cup and a half of cottage cheese, diced ham, a generous couple of handfuls of shredded cheddar cheese, garlic powder, minced onion bits, salt, and a dash of cayenne. I'm trying something new. I've never used the cottage cheese before. And of course, bacon and more bacon. You get to use tools to do planning. Power tools.
Right.
Hopefully this won't be bad if we don't go where there's a lot of roots or a lot of rocks.
Yeah, this through here, this is flat. There's not a lot of roots and there's no rocks in this.
Right.
When
It
she
was
gets
sifted.
down where she wants to put, then it'll be roots and rocks.
We have 2 bags of 30s, not the biggest bulbs. They just came from Home Depot or Walmart. And I'm thinking 1 bag here and then 1 bag out where we can see it from our bathroom / bedroom window.
Yeah, but I would say the auger thing, it does does a pretty good job. I mean,
Don says I need to plant the bulbs behind him because it's sort of putting dirt back in the hole. So I'm going to get busy here.
Said, you know, if just a few inches, and it's basically apart, the spacing, you know, just about, I don't know, pretty close.
Yeah, I told him not
there.
closer than 6.
Yeah, well, if I do it now, it's going to throw the dirt
I'm
into
coming.
the hole.
Hey, I think that's the easiest yard project you've done all year.
Yeah, but it's only the 19th of January. So yeah, I agree.
It took us about 30 minutes. It really, with the two of Don using the auger, me putting in the bulbs, both of us covering up and spreading the mulch. It was about 30 minutes. That was pretty easy peasy, if I have to say so myself.
Yeah, the flower bed being stone free and not big roots, no tree roots, just lightweight roots. The auger was able to do a great job.
Yeah, we ended up with this over here because we had extra soil from leveling out for the green metal shed, right?
Yeah, that's right.
And you needed some place to put the dirt, and you was like, oh, I'll make my girl a flower bed without me asking.
Yeah, I dug out for the base of the shed, and I put that dirt over here.
Yeah, he stopped for a day and got the lumber. I mean, we had the lumber lying around, but he cut it and screwed it into, you know, built it.
Quite a bit of scrap there.
Right. It was a very inexpensive. And then maybe we went and got a little more dirt. I don't remember. But it tends to get really dry. So mulch is good. And this year, you know, the last couple years we've added better. It's manual, but it's still more better sprinkling hose setup. So it's not the end of the world to come over here with one of those little circular discs and let it water this area. So besides, I got to keep the gardenia and the mop plant and the azaleas wet. So might as well water in there too.
Sweet smelling like lavender. That was what I'm out here for, to be
You're
sweet
keeping
smelling?
your girl company. I'm putting lavender on all of the maple trees and stuff that I don't want the deer to munch on, in the hopes that maybe, just maybe, it'll help.
I think it's counterproductive putting a scent on it that's going to attract them or something. You know?
They're supposed to not like it.
Yeah, what they'll do is they'll learn that if it smells like lavender, it must mean it's really good to eat.
Yeah, I understand. It looks like they munched on the rhododendron a bit. Dang it.
I'll put you a lavender on
Yeah,
there.
because here is...
Oh, they were munchy.
They were munchy down here. Dang it!
Yeah, they even ate the bloom
I
off.
don't like deer.
They left you one bloom.
Hard to say if that's the bloom or the more leaves, but at any point, it's probably not going to bloom this year.
It's not that. We have a problem.
Yeah, I didn't have enough to finish, but yeah, I definitely need some for this corner over here, and a couple of things back here. Almost enough.
Almost.
And then, of course, this summer, if it's effective, putting a few in with the impatiens would be not a bad idea. Hi, Tux. I just finished editing yesterday's video with Gray. It took me about an hour. So she got some good attention. The hellebores had totally wilted down in the cold, and now it's sprung back up today. Since we're warm for right now. I'm surprised it's not chillier out here. I think the cold air is arriving a little slower than they thought. Coming out to check on Don in my 3D print. Don's looking for something and he's cleaning still. These are really cute little Hello Kitty things. Let me flip it over so you can see it. Well, here they are, just as cute as can be.
Printing.
The printer's not printing?
No.
I know, I forgot. An hour. It's been idle an hour.
That's right.
Okay, well, we made some progress. We didn't find this one box Don's looking for, though, but progress. See? Progress. Don has at least a 2x2 foot section he can use.
Look at, I'm using my workbench.
We were making good progress cleaning, and it was like, oh, we'll go walk in a few minutes. Oh, we'll go walk in a few minutes. And then it started raining. And it got to be 5 p.m. And I just read the latest snow report from the weatherman I trust. And he said if we have a significant snow event here now, Tuesday night, it would be a miracle that we may see some flakes. And that's about it. And I am just super sad.
As a snow lover, she's super sad.
Well, I don't know that I'm a snow lover, but I'd like one 6 to 8 inch snowstorm each winter to say we had some snow, to enjoy it, to get that feeling. And it's been over, you know, it's been a long time now. So frustrating. And it's not an inconvenient week for us to have snow in the middle of the week, so.
Yeah, she bought me those snow shovels and I haven't gotten to use
I
them
know.
once.
I know, that will teach me for making sure we're prepared.
That's right. She was all prepared. I'll never have to use it.
The rain's mostly let up. It's just spitting a little bit. We just walked around at the park. We really didn't get out and walk. And Don's still looking for that thing he's looking for. Some Shelly thing, some Bluetooth sensor thing. I think I'm going to go in and do the last 2 bags of my Lego. I haven't had any time to do Lego the last few days, and even though my eye is bothering me, and we've certainly not been not busy today, I think that's what I'm going to do. Starting on bag 19. It's all done. I added a couple of minifigures. I would like to find one more for the little cart. A person can stand over top of it. Right down to the chimney sweep up here with his brush. And I'm loving the printed clock piece. It's really nice. I'm totally stoked about this building. Totally stoked.